Hi guys, in the last three videos we have done up with our HTML coding, our CSS as well as a PHP script. So we have done with all these three. And in this video tutorial I will show you how to get your free domain name as well as a free hosting. After getting a free domain name and free hosting, we will create a database in that. For that, just you Google it. And the website which provides your free hosting which supports your PHP and MySQL is 000webhost.com. So if you already had an account on this, you can just log in, or else you should sign up here. And the sign up process is pretty simple. Just you should choose your domain name. Right? You can choose any domain name. It may be a ChennaiFloodsRelief.com or ChennaiRelief.com. You can choose any domain name. Right? You can choose any domain name. You have to write your name, your email ID, and you need to choose your password for this site. Right? And you agree to this, and you agree to this event. Then you click this button, create my account. Right? This is a quite very simple procedure to sign up. Right? After you click this button, your account will be created. So you can enter your email ID here and your password here. Right? And you just log in. So I already had an account and my domain name is altroprogrammer.comlu.com, right? So this domain name can change. You can choose any domain name. You can choose a relevant domain name for our website like a ChennaiFloods.com, right? Then you need to click this go to panel, go to cPanel. And this is the place from where you will control all your settings. Right? This is your server side. So before uploading your files to the server, we need to create a database. So you need to choose your database name. I am choosing it as rescue, and the username I will choose it as Viru, and domain and password you need to keep note of all this. So I create this create database. So it takes some time to create a database. So once it created, you can click here. This PHP MySQL admin thing. And this is the place from which you will create your tables, you can create your columns, everything. Right. So my database got created, rescue. So now it's a time for me to create a table on the database, my rescue thing. So you can choose your table name. I will choose it as emergency profile. And I need to specify how many columns I want in my table. Right. For that, let me open this one in Chrome. So I totally need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I totally need 9 columns. So I specify it as 9 columns. You can change it after creating the table. It's not a huge restrictions. So you need to choose your column names here. I'll choose it like this. First name, last name, X, phone number, email ID. I'll choose in that order, right? So I will fill all these details. I'll come to you. I'll pause the video for now. So I have done up with filling these fields. So this is the name of my columns, and this is the data type, and there is the length of the data type. So I have choose it as big int, right? So because my phone number is an integer thing, so I didn't choose int. Why? Because the maximum value of int is only 9 numbers, but my phone number consists of at most of 10 numbers, right? So I choose it as big int, right? And other thing is, you have PHP code here, right? So insert into the table name, and these are the columns of your table. So this column name should exactly match with this column. So all the column names here should exactly match with that column names, right? So you can change it here. So what is our table name here? So we have choose it as emergency profile, right? So you can choose your table, you can change your table name. So all the data which is stored in these variables will be inserted in the particular column, right? So after you created everything, just you save button. That's it. Your table got created, and this is your table, right? And we will select what are all the data present in the table. Still we didn't insert anything in the table, right? So your table will be empty, right? So your table is empty. MySQL has an empty result, which means you have 0 rows in your table, right? That's it. So in this video, what you learned is how to create a free domain, right? How to get a free domain name, and how to how to create a database, and how to create a database in the server, right? So in the next video tutorial, I will show you how to upload these files to your server, right? Thank you.